Hey guys, it's Zach and Darren. Today we're going to be, on this fine Friday, cold starting a 2005 Cadillac CTS. Let her rip. Purrs like a champ.
Next.
Also, we're going to be starting a what year?
1995 GMC Sonoma.
Say that again.
We're going to be doing a cold start on a 1995 GM Sonoma. If I find the keys. No.
Somewhere in here. Close. The Cadillac's just running like a champ. These cars haven't been running for quite a while. No one's been driving them. So, we'll see how this goes. The Cadillac was last running only a few weeks ago. The truck hasn't been running for probably about a month and a half. So, we'll see how this goes. Alright, switching cameraman.
Might help if you unlock it. Just start it and then
Here,
shut it off.
here.
And shut it off right away.
Alright, here we go. You ready for this?
Go for it.
Purrs like a champ.
Cool.
No check engine lights.
No, nothing.
It's pretty damn cold in here. It's only about 25 degrees outside today.
Yeah.
So,
Alright, good enough. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.